Hello everyone, this is Joseph and my project is Decentralized Blockchain Ledger, which is a serverless one, version 1.4. On my previous versions, I have bypassed API incognito through Cloudflare Worker, another CDN, and to imitate the Decentralized Blockchain Ledger, I tried to have manual sync, but I prefer automatic sync, but that is one of my suspicion. That is the reason why my first account got deactivated. I suspect that it cost a lot of spending because of automatic sync or backup or imitation. But since I saw my cost, the total spending that most of the project has is Kinesis, which is not related to um, DynamoDB. That is why Professor Strain told me that my account maybe got hacked. So I developed the version or revision 1.3 and 1.4 to turn my automation or imitation rather to minimal sync and make it more secure by hiding my API under the Cloudflare worker as a secret. And my project deliverables are this one, that my Bitfood web application is secure, serverless, and scalable cloud-based platform that revolutionizes the way restaurants and customers interact online, designed with a multi-tier AWS architecture. Bitfood integrates authentication, data management, monitoring, and client relations into a unified and resilient system. At its core, the project provides an end-to-end food ordering experience, from customer browsing, order processing, and recipe management and feedback handling, all backed by robust AWS services. The architecture ensures high availability, security, and maintainability through full automation and regional redundancy. And I have here my implemented architectural design, which is I have my files in the S3 bucket, and using global CDN, which is my Cloudflare, I proxied my API gateway to help my course API to work, and I have my network protection rather sorry using Amplify, AWS Amplify, to provide firewall for my API, and I used email verification and through SNS and Cognito for user management. And we will implement customer operations and administrative functions through Lambda and save the database or content to our multi-region database, which is North Virginia and Oregon, on the DynamoDB. And we have used CloudWatch to debug our Lambda code and also our Cloudflare as well as the HTML on the return codes to make the project work, or the system rather. And using the CloudWatch again, we will use this as the real-time alerts as well. So to showcase our project here, we have our AWS Amplify that has this domain that hides our S3, this one, that hides this S3 object URL. So we just took the index HTML to inside the AWS Amplify and enabled the firewall to prevent some attacks or bot attacks also to our network. Anyway, to proceed, since there is no current account, we'll create one. We'll do sign up, and when we sign up, it will send us an email, and to see it, we'll just connect our phone. And here we can see I have here the AWS subscription notification. We need to confirm it first and wait for the connection, the return code to be successful. And once it is, the OK button will be enabled, and we will need the verification code after that. So we'll get this 924728. I'll just copy and paste it, verify, then sign in. So after this successful sign up, we'll have the client side, which we have the menu, the feedback, and the request of the menu or recipe. So we will try requesting a recipe first. So let's say hot dogs. And then submit the request. Request submitted. And we'll try to buy a recipe or a menu or an item rather. And as you can see, the total changes once we hover onto something like a menu. The description appears, and try buying. So once the purchase complete, receipt will be emailed, and just verify it. And here is the email. Total is $28. As we go back, submit the feedback. Then sign out. We'll create another account. Using this email. And what is happening here in the sign up is first we are sending the email a confirmation along with the subscription confirmation, but first they need to confirm the subscription to enable the model to be clickable and have the verification code enabled as well. And once it is okay or succeeded, it will be automatically confirmed here at the Cognito. And we go back to our website, sign in again, just to show what is happening. So right now we have sign up. We can see that it is unconfirmed subscription. If we refresh the subscription, it is pending confirmation. So we'll go to our Outlook first. Hold on. Go to our phone again. So subscription confirmation, confirm it. And wait for the connection. So let's see the subscription again. SNS subscriptions. Now it is confirmed after the email confirmation, but on the platform of the Cognito, the user is not yet confirmed. So we go back to Outlook, to the email. We grab this verification code, copy this one, then paste it to this field, verify. Once verified, we can see in the user pools it is confirmed. So we will go to the groups, go to admin. We'll add one user as admin, this one, add. So once we sign in, it will be different from the client side. which we have open panel, which is the feature of the admin modal. So we have submitted earlier the hot dogs as the new menu or recipe. If we approve it, we will ask for the price, or it will ask for the price rather, sorry. Then if we confirm, it will be added into the menu. Let's check. No, the hot dog is here with $7. And here we have here the feedback we can see, and the purchase order earlier, how many Bicol Express, adobo, and adobo again. So we can also edit the details of the menu by going to our menu editor, then successfully save. Let's see, the description is changed from nothing to this one. Also this one. And from nothing to this one. And we can also change the region. So same content from region 1 and region 2, which is Virginia and Oregon. As we go to Oregon, we will see the same ledger, 8, starting from ADA D, go to Virginia, to the ledger, and starting from ADAD, same receipt ID and same blocks, 8 items, as well as in the Oregon side. So that is the imitation feature of our project or program that automatically copies or backups each content from each region, vice versa. And that is our project. Have a Merry Christmas. Mahalo for watching.